Did you know octopuses have not one, but three hearts? And get this, their blood isn't red like ours, it's blue. That's because it's copper-based, not iron-based, which helps them survive in the freezing depths of the ocean where oxygen is scarce. How cool is that? Speaking of the ocean, let's talk about blue whales. They're the largest animals to have ever existed on Earth, stretching longer than a basketball court. But here's the crazy part. Their throats are so narrow they can only swallow tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Imagine being that huge and only eating something so small. On the other end of the whale spectrum, sperm whales produce some of the loudest sounds in the entire animal kingdom, even louder than a jet engine taking off right next to you. Now for a fact that's a bit gross but fascinating. Rats physically cannot vomit. They lack the necessary muscle structure and neural connections in their brains to throw up. This is actually why rat poison is so effective, because once they ingest it, their bodies have no way to expel the toxins. Moving on to our four-legged friends, horses are way more perceptive than you might think. Studies have shown they can actually recognize human facial expressions. They can tell the difference between a happy face and an angry face, and they'll even react differently depending on your mood. So next time you're around a horse, remember they're reading your vibe. Let's venture into the jungle. The reputation of the green anaconda is definitely not just a myth. These snakes are absolute giants. One of the heaviest in the world, they're so big and powerful that they have the physical ability to swallow incredibly large prey while it's extremely rare. Their sheer size means they could potentially consume something as large as a deer. Now for something a little cuter, when you see lion cubs playing, they're not just having fun, they're in training. You might see one cub pounce on another and then limp away, pretending to be injured. This isn't just drama, it's practice. This playful behavior helps them develop real-life hunting and survival skills in a safe environment. Think pigeons are just ordinary city birds. Think again. These birds are surprisingly intelligent. Scientists have discovered that pigeons can actually solve basic math problems. They can understand abstract rules about numbers and even recognize symbols. So the next time you see a pigeon, remember there might be a little mathematician in there. If you love sleep, you'll be jealous of the koala. These adorable marsupials are the ultimate sleepers, snoozing for up to 22 hours a day. Their diet of eucalyptus leaves is super low in energy, so they have to conserve every little bit they can. Basically, their life is one long nap, interrupted by short snack breaks, okay? Prepare for one of the weirdest defense mechanisms in nature. Some species of horned lizards, when threatened, will defend themselves by squirting a stream of blood directly from their eyes. This bizarre and shocking tactic often confuses predators long enough for the lizard to make a quick escape. From insects that perceive time in slow motion to frogs that can literally freeze solid for months and then thaw out perfectly fine, the animal kingdom is truly stranger than fiction. Every creature has a unique story, and we've barely even scratched the surface of all the weird and wonderful surprises nature has in store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.